Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, February the 1st, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that you will be able to read about in the Family Weekly. All right, so our perfect attendance winner. Nice job to Williams Flores from our pre-K classroom. Nice job. Also, if Miss Briseño, Miss Tovar, or Miss Arocha are one of your teachers, make sure and tell them congratulations for being our Owl of the Month as teachers and leaders. Remind your families that if they have friends or family members that want to sign up for their kids to come to school here at Idea South Flores, it's closing soon. We have lottery in 3 weeks. Oh my goodness, we have 22 Royal Readers now. So scholars, keep going. March 19th is our next virtual celebration. Can't wait for those to be there. Remind your parents also that if they are coming to the school to pick something up, we need them to set an appointment so that we can social distance and keep everyone safe and healthy. Next Friday is our team and family time to be able to celebrate Valentine's Day. And then on Monday the 15th, there's no school. No school on Monday the 15th. All right, scholars, it's a great day to learn. I want you to have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!